Sister, that flesh you show, that's not power, that's not confidence, that's a weapon used by Shaitan to destroy your own dignity, to attract hearts that don't care for your soul, to make your body a battlefield while your soul starves. You walk into work, conferences, parties, dressed to impress, but holding the anger of Allah on your shoulders. You call it freedom, but Allah called it fitna. You're not just showing skin. You're stripping away the barriers of modesty that once protected generations. You think you're living your best life? But sister, you're killing the next one. Your beauty isn't empowerment. It's become a test. And without the consciousness of Allah, every good deed, every Ramadan, every charity, every salah, useless. Because obedience in pieces is not obedience. Fear Allah before He exposes what you covered with filters. Return to Haya. You return to honor. Return to La ilaha illallah before it's too late.